Hi, my name is Katie. Today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about essential CBD extract before actually buying the product. I also have some really important warnings to preserve your health, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you until the end of this video. The first thing you need to know about essential CBD extract is be careful with the website you're going to buy it from, because essential CBD extract is only sold on the official website. Unfortunately, due to the huge success, there are many people selling it on non-official websites like eBay, Amazon, and by buying these products, the person is not receiving the original essential CBD extract, so it can harm their health and has no results. So be careful with that. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video, where you can buy essential CBD extract with a special discount today, so be sure to check it out when you finish watching this, okay? So you may be wondering, what is essential CBD extract and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, essential CBD extract works. After many laboratory tests, researchers developed a natural formula with concentrated, high-quality ingredients that works with your body to eliminate your pain from within. As soon as you take your drops, cannabinoids will flood your system, acting as natural neurotransmitters to stop pain and anxiety, ensure a good night's sleep, and promote complete body balance. You should know that essential CBD extract is 100% natural, organic, safe to use, not habit-forming, and has no side effects. So yes, you can trust this product. There are thousands of people having great results with essential CBD extract, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, I know, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something else really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test essential CBD extract for 30 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back so you have nothing to worry about. Also, for essential CBD extract to work, you need to take it seriously. You need to take 3 to 5 drops per day. The longer you take it, the better the results. And remember that it's 100% non-habit forming, so you can rest easy taking it each day. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy essential CBD extract from, and also if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be different from any other person because your body works in a very unique way. But I really recommend you do the treatment for at least 3 months in order to get better results. I really hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any questions you can leave them in a comment and I'll be glad to help you. If you want to purchase essential CBD extract with a special discount, I'll be leaving the official website link below like I said before. Good luck with your treatment guys, and have a great day. Bye.